Out. Go. Perfect eggs. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. One of my goals for this year was to eat better, both nutritionally and in terms of frequency. I used to be really bad at forgetting to eat. And so that's part of why I created the nutritionalization station over in the corner. I got a bunch of work to do today out here in the shop and out in the yard. So I'm gonna start by making breakfast. Let's go over to the corner and we'll see what I can find to make for breakfast. All right, it's another cooking show. I know there's like 4 of you who have been hoping for another cooking show. Let's go, come on. So this is the nutritionalization station over in the corner of my shop. I got my little mini fridge, I got my hot plate and my cutting board, and then underneath here, this used to be my dart cabinet, and I have since made it into my storage for my spatulas and kitchen implements and a plate. I got another pan back there. I got my pans hanging up on the wall there, and then all of my spices and oils and cooking accoutrement in there. Let's see what we got in the fridge today that we can make breakfast out of. I've got a whole chocolate cake. I got eggs back there. Let's get the eggs out. I've got some meats and I got bacon. Got nice thick cut bacon. We got some cheese down in here. We got up in the freezer. Probably have some. Yeah, we got tasty taters. We got tater tots. Okay, tater tots, eggs, bacon. There we go. Let's get rocking on some breakfast. All right. Got our pans out. We're going to start with some chili infused olive and sunflower oil in the big guy. Get our tater tots rocking. We'll get some bacon going in this guy. I need some stuff from in here. I need a spatula. I'm gonna need a knife. I'm gonna need a plate. That's probably all I'm gonna need. Just need a few of these bacons. Go maybe three bacons. Get those rocking in this one. Nice thick cut bacon. I think I'm gonna go with wrap today. I got tortillas and I've got bagels. I got bagels and I got tortillas. I think I'm gonna go with wraps. I'll get a couple of these out. Oh, that's brand new. That's brand new. A couple of these guys out for later. And we'll a handful of these. And that's about 2 wraps worth of tater tots. Get those all oiled up. Yeah. Got tater tots and bacon going now. Toss these around a little bit. They're getting that oil soaked up and getting cooked down. Get our bacons flipped over. Out. Go. Bacon. Yeah. Think I'm also going to got these pepperoni sticks. Toss that in there with those. Yeah. why not? Because why not? Alright, these are getting just a little sort of crispy shell on them. Bacon is done enough for me. I like my bacon just right at the edge of crispy, not sloppy, but not, I don't want it to snap. I don't want to be able to snap my bacon, but I want there to be a little crispiness to it. I'll put this over here for now. And keep that little bit of bacon grease in there for my eggs. Got it over here, swap these around. 2 wraps, we'll go 3 eggs. Oh, got some shell in that one. Get out of there. Get those with a little pink Himalaya sea salt, fresh cracked pepper. Oh, almost breakfast time. Cheese. Now I'm gonna go with the Hellman's Chipotle Mayo on my wraps this morning. It's not even open yet. Another brand new. Hashtag not sponsored. I'm gonna go hash browns. I'll line up a hash browns there. Pepperonis in each one. Toss that on there. Seal up those eggs for a minute. Bacon. Go. Perfect eggs. Go an egg and a half in each one. Go egg and a half in each one and get it wrapped up. Yeah, gooping out the side, love it. Wrap that up and just pop it back in there for a second. Seal those up. Flip those. Oh, that's gonna be good. Just about breakfast time. Just about breakfast time. All right, out on the plate. I got a little bit greedy with how full I wanted them, so the wrapping action wasn't restaurant pretty. But this ain't no restaurant. This ain't a restaurant. This is my breakfast. There we go. That's breakfast today. Got some tater tots and eggs and bacon and cheese and pepperoni sticks and stuff in some wraps. I'm going to crush these and then I'm going to get to work out here in the shop. So, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. Eat breakfast. It's important. It makes every day that I do it, it makes it a better day. So, bye for now, everybody. I'm going to finish breakfast. I'm going to get down to work. So good. The chili oil for the hash browns, and the Chipotle Mayo, just a little hint of a spice to it. Good stuff. See you next time. Bye for now. Breakfast time. I don't know why I'm still recording, because now I'm just eating breakfast. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. One of my resolutions for this year was to eat better, both in terms of frequency, in terms of nutritionality, in terms of just eating better. I wanted to eat better. What does that mean? I'll know it when I see it. Okay, so over here in the corner of my shop, this is the nutritionalization station. I got my spices and oils and things up in here. I got my pans hanging back there. I got my fridge. I got my hot plate. I got my cutting board. I got my... Yeah. Let's do the whole thing again. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. One of my goals for this year, one of my resolutions for 2025 was to eat better. What does that mean? It means eat more frequently, eat better food, eat... That's about it, really. Had a thing.